my rear tire pressure is coming down rapidly.
Alrighty. Boys in Pretoria. So it's raining out there. We're going to be doing some off-road stuff in the Cullinan area. I just got to make sure that I've got my rain gear with me. I'm going to head out that way past Albertina Sisulu, past Ouro Tambo, and judge the weather from that perspective. Yeah, you know what I say, ride the conditions. Have the gear, ride the conditions. And, if you don't feel comfortable, then absolutely 100% don't ride. There is no shame whatsoever in being safe and looking after your health first. That is the most important thing. You ride because you want to. We all assume the risk when you get onto two wheels, and adding rain and heavy wet weather conditions to the mix definitely adds a layer of heavy uncertainty. You've got to be able to manage that yourselves. So I know what I do when it rains. It's a light rain. It's not bad conditions. You know, I'll put on my gear and I'll ride. That's great. How serendipitous is that? That's young Master Greg over there. How you, buddy? Greg rides his Suzuki E-Strom 250. He's the most hardcore out of all of us. This man will look, even if we're on a tar road going somewhere, Greg will look for the sand road alternative. And I think that's fantastic because that man has a serious adventurous spirit. And yeah, it looks like quite a few guys on the road today. Just had to stop because I had to pedal. Too much water to drink this morning before I left. You know me. Oh, fart. You know, hydrate. My one light is dangling.
Well, anyway, this is this view from this beautiful hill. You tell me what you think, good people, and then pull over and just stop here. So lovely. You see, it's a small hill, but you get such a big panorama. Let's see if I can pull across here. No cars coming. Perfect. Behind me. And we can just do this. Stop over here. Can you see what I'm talking about? Like the camera might not capture this piece over here, but this is the hills and this is where the cows come through. Hobbiton down there. The rest of the world out there. Oh, looking up at these clouds moving across the sky. This deep grey, massive clouds. So instead of sticking around, I am going to, while the road is clear, was clear, get going. After this bucky. Oh yeah, baby. The power on this bike is just unbelievable. When I open up that throttle and I let it run properly the way it's supposed to, it just goes, man. Ah, it is beautiful. Let's get in front of this car now. Here we go. Passed him in an instant. Obviously this might be seriously disturbed audio because of the wind, but I'm hoping that it will come out. This little area here, you normally have, there's a water hole here, so you normally have a little buck congregating here. But I haven't actually seen it for a little while. Right now, I just don't feel like stopping. Here come the big drops. Here they come in abundance. So I actually think I'm gonna, oh man, I guess it was inevitable. Look at that rainy area down there. Proper rain, bro. I'm trying to think the best place that I can just pull in and stop and then get onto the highway. The worst part of this all is not the rain. It's the fact that I need to make a wee. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Alrighty. We are on the highway heading home. And I'm very glad I put my jacket on. I probably should have put the pants on as well, because all the water that's running off my jacket and off my tank is pooling in a very singular spot, which is making my voice raise in pitch slightly and making those particular parts of my body tremble a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But you know what, we're on the highway, so there's great visibility, the road condition is good, and so I can travel at the speed which is quite comfortable. I know Fraser lives around here somewhere. How's it, Fraser? Oh, look at this big area taking off. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's say, hey, what's that, an A320? Planning out. Airbus style. Severe testing for me because my bike has just told me that my rear tyre pressure is coming down rapidly, which means that I must have picked up some kind of puncture when we were off-road. So the wind is roaring, the rain is pouring, I'm on a highway, and my rear tyre is now giving me shit. And I'm not going to stop. I'm going to just attempt to limp the bike home. If I have to ride with my feet down, because I'm still quite a ways away, but I'm certainly not going to just stop out here in the middle of nowhere. Okay.
Oh yeah.